Shenzhen Smart Care Technology Company Limited was established in 2014, about 200 employees. We are a professional OEM and ODM wearable supplier in Shenzhen. We have around 50 R&D engineers who are engaged in hardware, firmware, iOS app, Android app, server, UI design testing. Product design including ID design, MD design, mold, product management, quality control management. We have more than 7 years export experience all over the world to offer one-stop service from design, hardware, software, APP. We are a manufacturer for wearable products, 4G products, IoT device, and Bluetooth electronics accessories. We own 7 assembling lines with 600,000 to 800,000 output per month, 3,000 square meters workshop. Our factory has more than 7 years experience on the smart device and smartphone and control the quality very well. All of products are 100% QC testing, incoming material PCBA half-finished products. 100% products do battery aging and waterproof testing. All of our products are privated design with the design patent BQB FCC CE KC BIS ROSE certification of compliance. Our products are focusing on the topics of health, fashion, sports, and independent communication devices, and others. Our concept, high-quality products, lead to high customers' satisfaction. Our mission, start smart life for everyone with smart wearable.